Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of shining brilliance with the best aluminum polishes. Whether you are restoring a vintage vehicle or adding luster to household items, finding the perfect polish is key. Join us as we explore top-rated products, expert tips and techniques to achieve that mirror-like finish. Get ready to make your aluminum surfaces gleam like never before. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides and product reviews. Let's get polished. At the first position of our list, we have Flitz Metal Polish and Cleaner Paste. Engineered with a cutting-edge formula, this versatile polish is a game-changer for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its advanced design ensures effortless removal of tarnish, rust, oxidation, and water spots, leaving surfaces with a stunning mirror-like shine. Crafted with a blend of premium ingredients, Flitz Metal Polish not only delivers exceptional results but also provides long-lasting protection against future corrosion. Its effectiveness extends to a wide range of metal including aluminum, brass, copper, chrome, stainless steel and more, making it a must-have in any workshop or household. What sets Flitz apart is its durability. Once applied, the protective barrier it forms ensures your metals stay gleaming for longer, reducing the need for frequent reapplications. Plus, its non-abrasive formula ensures safe use on delicate surfaces without causing any damage. Despite its professional-grade performance, Flitz Metal Polish remains affordable, offering exceptional value for its quality. Whether you are restoring automotive parts, household fixtures, or marine equipment, Flitz Metal Polish and Cleaner Paste is your trusted companion for achieving immaculate results every time. Invest in Flitz today and experience the difference in metal care. At number 2, we have Mother 05101 Mag and Aluminum Polish, your go-to solution for achieving a brilliant shiny effortlessly. Crafted with a meticulous design, this polish is specifically formulated to tackle the toughest stains, oxidation and grime on a variety of metal surfaces including aluminum and magnesium. Its advanced features ensures a seamless application process, saving you time and effort while delivering exceptional results. Mother's 05101 Mag and Aluminum Polish not only restores the original luster of your metal but also provides a protective barrier against future tarnish, enhancing durability and longevity. Experience unmatched effectiveness as this polish effortlessly buffs away imperfections, leaving behind a dazzling, mirror-like finish that's sure to impress. Whether you are polishing automotive parts, motorcycle wheels, or household fixtures, Mother 05101 Mag and Aluminum Polish guarantees professional-grade results with every use. What's more, its affordable price point makes it accessible to all, offering incredible value for its quality and performance. Say goodbye to dull, lackluster metal surfaces and elevate your polishing game with Mother 05101 Mag and Aluminum Polish, the ultimate choice for metal care enthusiasts everywhere. Next up at number 3, we have the BRITE 266008933 multi-purpose metal polish, a trusted name in metal care for generations. Crafted with a thoughtful design, this 8-ounce powerhouse is your all-in-one solution for polishing a variety of metals including brass, copper, stainless steel, chrome and aluminum. Its advanced formula ensures exceptional effectiveness, effortlessly removing tarnish, rust and grime while restoring the original shine. BRITE multi-purpose metal polish is designed to deliver professional-grade results with minimal effort, making it ideal for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. Experience long-lasting durability as BRITE forms a protective barrier that shields your metals from future corrosion, ensuring a lasting shine that stands the test of time. Plus, its versatile nature means you can use it on a wide range of surfaces, from household fixtures to automotive parts and beyond. Despite its superior performance, BRITE multi-purpose metal polish remains budget-friendly, offering outstanding value for its quality. Elevate your metal care routine today with BRITE 266008933 multi-purpose metal polish and unlock the true potential of your metal surfaces. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to brilliance with BRITE, the ultimate choice for metal enthusiasts everywhere. The number 4 position is held by all-new Aluminum Restoration Cleaning Solution, the ultimate solution for bringing back the luster to your metal positions. Engineered with a cutting-edge formula, the solution is specifically designed to tackle the toughest stains, oxidation and corrosion, leaving your aluminum surfaces looking brand new. Its innovative design ensures hassle-free application, saving you time and effort while delivering exceptional results. All-new Aluminum Restoration Solution is highly effective, effortlessly buffing away imperfections to reveal a dazzling mirror-like finish that's sure to impress. Experience long-lasting durability as all-new forms a protective barrier, shielding your metals from future tarnishing and ensuring a lasting shine that stands the test of time. Plus, its versatile nature means you can use it on a wide range of aluminum surfaces, from household fixtures to automotive parts and beyond. Despite its professional-grade performance, all-new aluminum restoration solution remains budget-friendly, offering unbeatable value for its quality. Elevate your metal care routine today with all-new and unlock the true potential of your aluminum surfaces. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to the brilliance with all-new, the ultimate choice for metal enthusiasts everywhere. The number 5 position is dominated by Cameo Aluminum and Stainless Steel Cleaner, the go-to solution for restoring brilliance to your aluminum and stainless steel surfaces. Crafted with precision, this 10-ounce cleaner is meticulously formulated to effortlessly remove stains, grease, and grime, revealing a pristine shine every time. Its innovative design ensures ease of use, making cleaning a breeze with just a simple application. Whether it's kitchen appliances, automotive parts, or household fixtures, Cameo's powerful formula delivers exceptional effectiveness, leaving surfaces gleaming like new. Experience long-lasting durability as Cameo forms a protective barrier against future tarnishing, ensuring your metals stay pristine for longer periods. Plus, its versatility extends to a wide range of metal surfaces, providing unmatched convenience and value. Despite its professional-grade performance, Cameo Aluminum and Stainless Steel Cleaner remains affordable, offering exceptional quality at a reasonable price point. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to brilliance with Cameo, the ultimate choice for metal care enthusiasts everywhere. Revitalize your metal surfaces today and discover the difference with Cameo's superior cleaning power. Next up at number 6, we have 3M Marine Aluminum Restorer and Polish, the ultimate solution for restoring brilliance to your boat's aluminum components. Designed with marine enthusiasts in mind, this 18-ounce powerhouse is meticulously formulated to effectively remove oxidation, stains, and corrosion, leaving your aluminum surfaces gleaming like new. Its advanced formula ensures effortless application, saving you time and effort while delivering professional-grade results. Whether it's hulls, rails, or other aluminum fixtures, 3M Marine Aluminum Restorer and Polish restores the shine and protects against future damage with its durable finish. Experience long-lasting durability as 3M Marine Aluminum Restorer and Polish forms a protective barrier, shielding your meals from harsh marine environments, including salt water and UV rays. Plus, its versatility extends to a wide range of metal surfaces, providing unbeatable convenience and value. Despite its superior performance, 3M Marine Aluminum Restorer and Polish remains budget-friendly, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price point. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to brilliance with 3M, the trusted choice for marine enthusiasts everywhere. Revitalize your boat's aluminum surfaces today and sail with confidence, knowing your vessel looks its best. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the BRITE Ultimate Aluminum Protectant. Specially crafted to keep your aluminum shining like new, this quick-acting Protectant is your go-to solution for effortless maintenance. Its advanced formula not only shields against corrosion, UV rays, and harsh marine environments, but also enhances the brilliance of your polished aluminum. Designed for convenience, BRITE Ultimate Aluminum Protectant is easy to apply, saving you time and effort while delivering exceptional results. Whether it's boat rails, automotive trim, or household fixtures, this protectant ensures a long-lasting shine that withstands the test of time. With its durable finish, BRITE Ultimate Aluminum Protectant provides unmatched protection, extending the lifespan of your polished surfaces and reducing the need for frequent reapplications. Plus, its versatile nature makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, offering unbeatable value for its quality. Despite its professional-grade performance, BRITE Ultimate Aluminum Protectant remains budget-friendly, making it accessible to all enthusiasts. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to brilliance with BRITE, the trusted choice for protecting and maintaining polished aluminum surfaces. Elevate your metal care routine today and enjoy the lasting shine and protection BRITE provides. Thanks for joining us on this journey to discover the best aluminum polishes. We hope you found the insights and recommendations helpful in achieving that perfect shine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert tips and product reviews. Keep shining and polishing to perfection. Until next time, happy polishing!